It's just going to be a straight forecast removal today. Usual procedure. I think the biggest difference is the fact that we're out here on the flight ramp and we're using the cargo truck with the canopy on it. We'll do the uncabling, then after that we're ready for the instrument removal. And then after that they'll rotate to 17, take off the counterweight rack and take out the PI rack. The Hippo PI rack pallet is going to go in the number 3 position. Today we are swapping a science instrument on the telescope. We are actually exchanging the forecast instrument for the Hippo and flight cam instrument that mounts with it in preparation for observing a Pluto occultation event in a few more days. The entire instrument exchange begins with disconnecting the electrical cables of the science instruments and then unbolting it from the telescope flange and then reversing that whole process. We do this quite often, but this is the first time we've done it in New Zealand.
I'm blind, I can't see. I got most of it pushing back here.
This is Flight Cam. Flight Cam is the first flight test experiment camera for SOFIA. It's a near-infrared imager and spectrometer that looks at light from 1 to 5.5 microns.
Hippo is an optical instrument. It's designed to observe occultations of stars by planets.
Flight Cam could look at the occultation alone, but we've got a special advantage when we can comb out with Hippo because we see different wavelengths of light.
When we mount them together, they're called the flippo configuration.
Every science instrument has a different weight, and the shape is also different, so they have a different center of mass as well. So every time we put on a new science instrument, we have to balance the telescope again. Every science instrument again needs a different button. Some science instruments use that button to calibrate, and some just need it to get rid of some stray light.
Flight cam is plugged into the MCCS IRIG-B signal, and that's working.
Thank you very much, Ted. Flight cam, confirm you are receiving GPS data.
Yes.
Yes, I see nothing wrong over here.
Okay.
It takes a lot of teamwork to get everything ready to go, to get these instruments ready to fly, that everyone pulled together and did a really good job.
The functional check is complete. I'm going to say everything is go for flight.
I think everyone's excited at this point, at least I'm excited at this point. We've all worked really hard and prepped really well, and I think it's going to be a great occultation.